Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaBudgets and vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as the freebie for the month of December down below so you can grab it if you'd like. Also, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are showing love and supporting each other's YouTube channels. I will link them as well. Silynthia, you are on it. Yes, I am. I still have goals I'm trying to reach. I still have a plan in place and I've got to stay consistent because I think that, you know, if you hit those small wins, it stacks up and then you see those goals being reached. I have still money that I need to be saving for my PTO. I am pre-recording a little bit right now because I have the funds to do so. However, I need to make sure that things are in place so future me can say good job. Anyway, what are we stuffing today into our savings challenges? Let's just count it up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20. I have $20 here. And I think what we'll just do, we are going to roll the dice. We are going to put $2 into wherever the dice, whatever envelope the dice rolls on, 1 through 6. And let's jump right in. 1. Boop. 4. 3, 4. One of my saving challenges, this one here, has so many circles that I need to complete. I don't know how I'm going to get through that one. 5. 5, okay. 1. 5. 5 came to collect. 2. Okay, on the board. 2, okay. 5. Okay, 5. 5. All right. That tickled me. Okay, sorry. 5. And my last one, 5. Okay, so we need to figure out what's happening here. Let's get started with our first savings challenge, which is from Cash Money Budgets. You see it here. We're adding $4. All right, let's see here. Let's do 2, 3, 4. Now this savings challenge has 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. Woohoo! I was trying to get rid of my Christmas savings challenges before Christmas. If it happens, that's great. If not, you guys, it'll just be what it'll be, right? So we have $4 going into our next savings challenge from Save with Rose. And this is the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first time we're stuffing it. So this one is a New Year's savings challenge. So we got a little bit of time on this one if we need it. Our next savings challenge got absolutely no money at all, which breaks my heart because this one's going to take me a long time to make. But it is a savings challenge from my Etsy shop with Cassie J. It was just a holiday thank you. And it just said happy holidays from I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs and Silynthia Budgets. So nothing on the board with this one yet. So we'll keep working on it though. $2 going into my next savings challenge. This one is from Buttercup Budgets. 1, 2. And hopefully I can get some more funds and we can work on getting these savings challenges rocking and rolling for my PTO. All right, next savings challenge got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, $10. It doesn't look like we quite need 10, so we're gonna go again and see what we need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're gonna go ahead and put $6 into the savings challenge, which is completed. Yay! 2, 4, 6. Perfect. So we have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. $12 from in this saving challenge from Buttercup Budgets. We'll set this one off to the side. We are going to roll the dice 2 more times to get rid of this $4, that's there. We don't have a savings challenge in number 5, so we will skip that for now. We want some action in number 6 and, was it 2? 3. Okay, but so let's do this. If it rolls on, which one are we missing? 5, right? 5. So if it rolls on 5 or 3, we'll put money into our third savings challenge. 5 or 3, okay. Hopefully I remember that. Sometimes I say things and a few seconds later, I don't remember. 6. All right, $2 going there. 3. Yay! 3 is actually on the board with $2. Yay! All right. So we are going to color in. Do I want red? Because I'm going to be stuck with this color. With, oh, I guess I can mix it up, can't I? I think I want purple. 1, 2. My color will probably change at some point. So we got $2 going into this savings challenge. So now it's officially on the board. All right, and then I can introduce my last savings challenge I've got going on for this cash stuffing. And this beauty is from the Nightlife. And I will link all these freebies down below. We have, oh, we need to color in our $2. 1, 2. This is almost finished. Woo! I try to shy away from the longer, higher amounts. But what I figured going into 2025 is I can do a mixture of both, some with smaller amounts and then some with bigger. And that way I can see those small wins pretty quickly, hopefully, and then, you know, keep working on my other savings challenges. So now we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. Yay! $16 in the savings challenge. And let's go ahead and snag a savings challenge to put into rotation. And do I want to do a Christmas? We're going to do this Happy Holidays. Not necessarily Christmas, but Happy Holidays. It's a savings challenge from my shop as well, from S&C Budget Creations. This was a freebie for the month of December. So we'll work on this one and see how well we do next time. All right, so once again, these are all freebies. I will link the ladies down below. Also, we completed one savings challenge. Yay, go us. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.